Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to sum rows and columns in Google Sheets. In order to do this, you first need to launch your Google Sheets and then you just have to launch your project. Afterwards, you just have to select that particular column where you want to use the sum function. So over here, let's say I have selected this column over here and I want the total of this column. So here you just have to type equal to in your keyboard and then you need to type sum. Now once you do this, you will notice that there is the equations in this bracket, that is C2 colon C5. So you just have to click on it and it will give you the sum of this column. So here we will do the same with the second column. So you just have to press equal to then sum, and after that it will automatically show you the sum of these equations over here. So you just have to select it and it will show you the total. Similarly, let's say we want to do the sum of the rows, so you just have to select the section where you want to use this sum feature. After that, you just have to type equal to in your keyboard, then sum, then you need to type bracket. After that, you need to provide the value 1 and then value 2. So in order to select the value, you just have to select the values and it will automatically select the value over here. Then you just have to close the bracket and press enter. Afterwards, it will show you the sum of this row as well as the sum of the other consequent rows. So if you want to use them, then you need to press Ctrl plus enter. So after doing so, it will automatically fill the whole section. So this is how you will be able to easily sum rows and columns in Google Sheets. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.